Supreme Court issuing a ruling that partially reinstates President Trump's ban on travel from 6 mostly Muslim countries. The decision is a victory for Donald Trump after several lower court rulings blocked his executive order back in March. We bring in trial attorney Misty Marris to talk about this. Good to see you again, Misty.
Good morning, Lauren.
All right, let's move forward. How do you expect the arguments to go in October?
So what we're going to see is there's 3 different scenarios. The first is that the travel ban arguments in this case are actually moot, because let's not forget, this is a temporary ban. It's giving the administration time to get permanent vetting procedures in place, so it may not even be necessary. But if we do move forward to arguments, there's 2 prongs. First is, does Trump have executive authority to pass a ban like this? The order we've seen from the court now says the answer will probably be yes. The second question is it unconstitutional? Does it unfairly discriminate against Muslims?
Well, let's talk about the justice's opinion and what we know so far, in particular Clarence Thomas. What was his view on the travel ban? What have you gleaned as an attorney from what the justices actually wrote in that opinion?
What the justices wrote makes it very clear that the Supreme Court is unanimous that Trump has authority over these immigration issues, that the president can pass a travel ban in his executive capacity in this situation, unlike what the lower circuit courts had found. And that's what this says. Now, some conservative judges would have said his ban was fine on its face. What the court did here was really take a middle road. They narrowed the executive order with this bona fide American connections test.
And can you just explain that bona fide test for our viewers out there, and how, if anything, that, in your opinion, could create for many Americans who were on board with the full travel ban, could that create a false sense of security?
Well, it's a bit of a hitch, because now the court is going to look, and the administration is going to have to look at the connections of these people who want to enter the country to the United States. The question is, what does that mean? So the court gave a few examples. They said students who have been accepted to U.S. universities, people who have been accepted job offers in the United States, and people that have family in the United States. But that's all very broad, and it's not exclusive, so it could include other scenarios.
I smell litigation going forward. Misty
Oh,
Marris.
my goodness. People working overtime.
Good to see you. Thank you.
Thank you, Misty.